Today is test day.
We might have to measure, like pre-measure and know exactly. We might, and you know what I mean, like measure it out of the cup. Yeah, they're gonna have to walk it through.
In a box.
I can't tell their package. Yeah, so what do you think about that? We like pre-measure and I mark on a bottle.
Yeah. Sure, they made this one.
Got to add the chocolate.
There we go.
We might have added a little bit too much water in our cheesecake. But hey, that's why we're out here testing. This is my favorite part right here, the little Oreo type crumbles. Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
You're gonna like it because it's not super sweet. All right, we have eaten our Spam, our macaroni and cheese, and we just put in the hot water into the blueberry peach crisp. Smelled delicious. It's got a few more minutes on it, and then we put cold water in the dark chocolate cheesecake, and then here in a minute we'll add in the little flavor packet.
We've got 3 minutes 15 seconds
3 minutes,
left
15 seconds.
for the blueberry pecan crisp.
So far lunch is a success. I did spill a pan of Spam. Say that really fast.
Pan of Spam.
Pan of Spam, but we had 2. So we had a great lunch. Now it's time for dessert, and we will keep you informed.
Sorry, you gotta wait.
No, it's so runny. Yeah, we'll just have to figure out how to measure the oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so good.
Yeah.
Oh, holy cow. Okay, bye-bye. We're using the spork on the pudding. Cooking up some Spam.
Trail magic from my wife. She's fantastic. Very, very good. should be a packet in that.
Oh, aha.
A little cheap packet.
Don't eat that.
Okay, read the back of it. I'm pretty sure I leave this out for now.
Okay, remove and discard. Set aside the cookie crumble packet. Yep, 2/3 of a cup. Okay.
Nope.
And then
Right there.
stir, seal it. Okay, we're gonna just stir it. We're gonna stir it with our fork, fork.
Spork.
It's like pudding. When do you put the other stuff in? Open pouch.
After.
Oh, afterwards.
I think it's 10 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Wow, it smells so chocolatey.
Look how excited she is.
Oh my gosh, it smells chocolatey. This stuff smells delicious.